Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find someone's phone number on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Cash App on your device and log in. Once on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your profile section. Here, you will see an option called Invite Friends. Tap on it and select Allow and Continue when prompted to grant Cash App permission to access your contacts. Once granted, your phone book contacts will appear. You can use this to invite friends and potentially earn cashback offers if applicable. Now, return to the search screen within Cash App. In the search bar, type the name or email address of the person whose phone number you are looking for. Cash App will display search results that match the information entered. So that's basically how you can find someone's phone number on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.